Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can record a Zoom workplace on a Android phone on your mobile device. So in order to record it, there are several ways to do. So one of method you can now to start new meeting for the practicing. You can start meeting. Here, in order to record your meetings, uh, you can use your built-in record app on your device. So here on my Android phone, this device already had a built-in recorder. Here on my smart sidebar, there is a screen record. So here just one tap, and now this meeting is recording like this. I'm recording while opening a Zoom meeting or Zoom workplace. But if you don't have a built-in recorder, you can use a third-party app that you can download for free in the Play Store or App Store. So now let's close this meeting. Let's end it. Now you can open a Play Store. I'm using Android right now, and you can search the app, and you can try to search X Recorder, for example. Here there is a screen recorder by X Recorder by InShot. Here you can record your meeting with this app. There are some features like landscape or portrait mode, and you can set the resolution, set the frame rate per second, and also you can edit it. And also there is some recorder that you can try here that you can download for free to record your online meeting in Zoom workplace. And don't forget, you can try to update a Zoom workplace in order to fix some minor issues and some bugs. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the button below. See you in the next video.